You're probably bored in the traditional way Google opens, or you suddenly think your appearance is everyday and boring, or you just want to change your look to rest your eyes from the white lights of your computer or cell phone. Well, there is a way that allows you to change to a dark version of Google's platform, YouTube, and all its other pages. For example, simply go to the Google search engine from your computer or cell phone. There, look for this link, Chrome//flags, and in the search engine that appears there type dark. In front of the first item, you will get a button with the name default. Display the menu there and select enable with simple HSL based inversion. Then in the button below relaunch to reload the search engine. After this last step, you will see that all the Google pages are with an obscure version of it. In the same menu as Chrome, //flags, you can find other useful functions such as tab switcher on return, which is activated in the same way as the previous one. It is used to find pages or applications where you have been more quickly. Simply, when you are in the Google application, press and hold the Go Back button. A small menu will automatically open with all the pages, sites, and applications you have been exploring recently. With this function active, you will also be able to see specific information about any word you select in Google searches. When you select it, a small pop-up window will open, showing the translation of the word, meaning and other relevant information that may be useful to you to save time when reading a query.